So here we go. Let us start. It's our third lecture of our storage class, and in this lecture we will encounter with the static memory, the second and the most essential topic, static memory, and what are the variables and addresses which is stored in a static memory is illustrated as you can see. Global variable is stored inside the static memory. Static variable name itself static variable. So static variable is also stored inside the static memory. Function code, the code which is written inside the function is also stored in a static memory, and string constant is also inside the static memory. So what is string constant? Of characters is a string and is also known as string constant. So here in below I have one example of a C code. In this code, we'll see all of these things. See, like here I have a main function, and this main function is calling another function named as display function. So first question, where this display function will be stored? Yes, it is a function call, it is not a function code. So it will store inside the stack. But this now let's see display function. Where is display function? Let's see, search it. Here we have here void display. So static int counter is equal to 0. Here we have an integer counter. Counter is just a variables, and integer is data type, and it is a static. Static means it is the static variable, and it will store inside the static memory. And this counter is increasing by 1 plus plus. And after this, it will return to 0 to 1. So here the display function will call C. Again, when this display function will be called, this static int counter is equal to 0 will not execute it. The most essential thing of a static variable is the static variable can execute only one time in an entire program. So this line will be negligible. This line will not count. And directly with display function will come over here counter plus plus, and it will increase. Previously it was 1 and now it's plus 1 again 2. So this 2 will return to this function. Again display function call. Here we have, as we know static integer counter will not going to execute again. So this counter will again increase by 1. So it will be 3. Here we have return address stored inside the stack, and see over here. This is a global variable. Global variable is also alternately you can define global variable as extern with the help of external keyword. Here global variable is assigned as a 10, and we can use global variable in any function. In entire program, any function we can use it. See here we have a string constant like printf hello I am a string constant. So what is this? All of these are string constant. All of these nothing but string constant. Okay, thank you very much. Just give emphasize for 3 or 4 times. Definitely you will understand it. Okay, thank you very much.